Hello, good afternoon. Today, gagawa tayo ng fried chicken for dinner. Actually, tapos na kami mag breakfast. So, ngayon, gagawa tayo ng mag-marinate tayo ng pang fried chicken. So, this is for dinner namin later. So, ito ang aking mga sangkap ng aking mga ingredients sa aking fried chicken. So, let's see. This is chicken. Then, this chicken. Then, I can put the, what is it? This is magic syrup. So, this is seasoning. Then actually I already put in chicken. Then I can put some a little like spoon for magic syrup. The size is like this. So dalawang ganito ng seasoning akong nilagay siya. Ako siyang i-marinate para pag ma-fried na natin, meron na siyang panglalasa. So, ganito yung ginagawa ko sa chicken. Then, after this is pepper. So, like that. Okay, I can put. Then, a little garlic. So, this is garlic powder. Then, lagyan natin siya para may siyang panlasa. Like that. Add natin kunti. And salt. Then time is 2:30 here in Germany, and yeah, I can marinate this chicken until 5. So it's mean meron na siyang malasa.